you know, I grew up in front of you na, and ginagawa ko when I was younger than Riley pa, were family dramas, classic Filipino films, like Tanging Yaman. Kanina nga earlier, I was with Tatay Joel and we were talking about it. And then, Tanging Ina series with Mama Ai Ai. Nakasama rin po namin dito sa show na to. So nakakatuwa kasi parang reunion din namin ito. But, syempre growing up, parang ang mga roles na naibigay sa akin, parang lumayo siya sa family dramas. So hindi ko man na-verbalize, but you know what, secretly, I was praying na someday, mabigyan ako ng opportunity to do a show like that, or a material like those films. And so when this was offered to me, I really believe na parang isa siyang answered prayer. Kaya kahit gaano kahirap ang role ni Ruth, niyayakap ko siya ng buong buo. Masarap siya gawin kasi totoong-totoo talaga. And I'm pretty sure kapag napanood niyo po ang aming episode, maiintindihan niyo po kung ano ang sinasabi ko. But you know, this show is actually a good reminder, mas lalo na ngayon, kailangan natin ang ganitong mga characters, and kailangan natin ang ganitong mga kwento.